I'm going to be mounting the PCB into the jogging panel using two of these, and all they are furniture connecting blocks, in that you screw one down to a piece of timber, screw another one down to a piece of timber, and then with the corresponding mating you just screw it in, job done. Oops, sorry, we were nearly off camera then. So yeah, I'll now fix the PCB into the panel and be job done. You see, it's fitted in there nicely with the blocks. I'll just bring it out a bit so I show you better. What I've done is I've got a screw there running through into that block. It was tight enough that as I threaded the screw in, it threaded into the plastic and held it down real tight. And the same with this one. But that was only because I drilled the holes in the side too far down. I should have gone up a bit more. Then I could have put a washer and nut on the end. But as it is, I didn't need to. And it's now in there nice and securely. I couldn't move that if I wanted to. Well, unless I had a crowbar, of course. So there's the finished article. Power on. X down, Z down, Z up. X left, X right, Y back, Y forward. Almost a job's a good one. There's obviously more to go on here with the emergency stop at the bottom, and I'm going to have a little LED. I'll get it right in a minute. I can't remember. Anyway, so the digital display, that's the word I was looking for. Yeah, I'm going to have a digital display here, purely for the Z-axis only, because that is the most precision instrument on the whole CNC machine, so I thought I'd do it that way. Well people, there you are, on to the next bit.